Hi, I'm Anna with the Frain Group. Today we'll be cycling your Bradman Lake Cartoner. This machine is currently set at 480 volts, 3-phase. We recommend you read the manual in its entirety before powering on this machine. Systems like these are capable of running products that you see here. Today we'll be running this product at 24,000 per shift.